So this is the route 271, which is getting withdrawn today. I'm going to be going around the area, having a look around, seeing what's still change, and film a few buses operating on the route. Just a side note, as you'll see in a minute, because I did start this at Highgate, that route is supposed to go to Highgate 271, but today it's only going to Archway, so not ideal, because I would have preferred to film in Highgate, but there you go. Let's film a few. Hello, and welcome to Highgate Village. There's a lot going on here at the moment, and on the last day this bus stop's closed. Hang on a minute, I was going to film the 271s coming here, but it's closed. Where are the 271s going? Oh, and that AO guy's just hit into a traffic cone. Yeah, this is very busy at the moment. Van's having a bit of trouble there. 271 is not stopping here at the moment. Burst exhaust on the D1140 there. We're going to head down to Archway, see the 271s there, and then go and see and discuss all of the other changes that are happening as the W5 goes around up there. So let's do that. So a short run later and I've made it to Archway. As you can see on there, 263, but we'll discuss that in a bit. As you can tell, I get very nervous around busy places, so we've come up here. Luckily it's quite quiet. 390, but there you go, 271. So they are here. Not what I would have liked. Could have got some nicer shots at Highgate Village, but there we go. So this is the 271. It runs from Highgate Village to Moorgate, Finsbury Square. This one is about to leave, I think, and it's getting withdrawn today because, well, actually I don't know, but I'll leave a link to the TfL website where you can have a look. So it's getting withdrawn, part replaced by Route 263, as we saw on that sign there, and then there's another one, and then it's going to be replaced, I think, further down as well, but don't know the complete ins and outs. There it goes. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, as I was saying, 271 is being completely withdrawn. The night route will still run, and also what's being withdrawn is the 143, which operates somewhere nearby. I think it's in Finchley, and the school route of that 143D is getting withdrawn. I mean, the school buses. What's happening, which I don't really think is a good idea, is the 263, which comes along this road to Finchley now, is getting withdrawn as well, and then being replaced by the 234, which we're going to go and see now. So let's just watch a couple of 271s in and about, and then we'll go. So about to pass now. Behind the 390 is route 263, which, as you watch here, bus does not. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it seems strong. Yeah. Let's just watch it go past here. So he's going right up that road into Finchley. From tomorrow, that bus will go the same way as route 143 goes, which is round there, past the hospital and up the hill to Highgate Village, and then it will come down whatever that hill that is, North Hill, I think, and then into Highgate, into Finchley. Sorry, I'm a bit confused. That's the 134. There is a lack of 271s. Like, where are they? I've been here for a fair while now, and this guy's sitting here idling, which pretty sure he shouldn't be doing, but there you go. Especially since this is a hybrid route master, he's supposed to be turning that engine off. I'll see if he does that because I'm not going anywhere. I think he'll be leaving before I go. Here he comes. VWH 2093 271, there you go. Stand back a little bit. Oh, two at once, that's why I haven't been seeing any. Where's he gonna park? Stands full. There's a 143. That route isn't changing apart from the school version. So that one is staying the same, but it's going to have a route alongside it up Highgate Hill. And now I might have time to explain why I think that is a bad idea. That congestion in Highgate Village. Oh, he's off. Ah, that's good. So now there's a slot for this one who's doing a blind change. So he's going to move up. And then this one is going to come in. Or not. Okay. I feel like I'm going to get word from one of the bus drivers in a minute. See someone. He's going round. He's off back to Moorgate, Finsbury Square. Got the green bus here. Oh, sugar. I think that'll wrap up the 271 side of it because I do not like being here. But I will tell you something funny that just happened. 17 on stand down there. The driver, I thought it was quite funny. He came out with some tissues and started wiping his headlights because the bus was really filthy. And then he said to one of the bus drivers, "Look at all this SHIT that comes of it, you know." I don't know. I just thought it was quite funny. Anyway, let's wait for a 263 now. Right, so he's off there. That's TE978. Now, we just got a short walk down here before I go back. I'm so paranoid about having my phone out here because people give me that stare. They're like, "Oh, I want that phone," you know. I'm telling you, I'll get pinched. Well, I'm not telling you. I really don't want it to get pinched. So, I'm going to put it away before we go over to that bus stand there. We are then. So they've already changed it around. As you can see, 234 is now this bus stop, which used to be 263. 263 should still stop here. Actually, no, it shouldn't, because it will do what that 143 is doing just there. There you go, look. It'll go round and then turn right. This bus stop, I think, will now become unused because there's no 234 to terminate here. So unless they keep it here and the odd bus will be curtailed, which is possible, this might stop being used now. So there you go. Well, that'll be the end of the video. I've made it to Woodside Avenue, which I think stays the same. They've put new timetables in though, apart from that one, look. And that one. New timetables. That'll do the video. Sorry if it was chaotic. I didn't have much idea what I was doing myself half the time, and I think I've got a lot of exercise out of this. Because, yeah, there's a lot of running involved when you don't know what to do and where to go, and are constantly paranoid about your phone getting stolen. But we've made it out with the phone. Hopefully nothing happens now, because I shouldn't think. Oh, I'm okay. I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye.